Welcome to the ultimate guide on elevating your living space. Luxury starts with embracing natural light and bold, elegant centerpieces. In the bedroom, prioritize opulent textures and a calming, cohesive color palette to create your own personal sanctuary. Your kitchen becomes a masterpiece when you combine striking stone surfaces with seamless, high-end integrated appliances. Transform your bathroom into a private spa by investing in a statement freestanding tub and wall-to-wall natural stone. Lighting is the secret architect of luxury. Layer ambient, task, and accent lights to give your living room depth and drama. Don't be afraid of moody, dark tones. Deep, rich textures can make a bedroom feel incredibly sophisticated and cocoon-like. Maximize your kitchen's grandeur with dual islands and specialized features, like a stunning climate-controlled wine display. Matte finishes and monolithic stone elements offer a contemporary, striking approach to high-end bathroom design. Blending classical architectural details with sleek, modern furnishings creates an atmosphere of timeless, curated luxury. Luxury can also mean space and serenity. Keep bedroom layouts minimalist to let spectacular views and natural light take center stage. Dramatic, dark wood cabinetry paired with illuminated, rare stone countertops instantly transforms a kitchen into an architectural marvel. Neoclassical details like intricate molding, unlacquered brass, and floor-to-ceiling marble offer an enduring, timeless expression of luxury. True luxury often lies in restraint. Organic textures, raw stone, and serene, uncluttered spaces create a calming, elevated atmosphere. In a high-rise sanctuary, let the panoramic view be the hero, framed by plush velvets and sophisticated, low-profile furnishings. Blending rugged, natural elements like fieldstone and hammered copper with professional-grade appliances creates a warm, opulent, and inviting kitchen. Dissolve the boundaries between inside and out. A sunken tub and a private, lush courtyard turn a bathroom into a secluded oasis. Embrace the glamour of Art Deco. Bold geometric patterns, rich sapphire velvets, and striking metallic accents bring undeniable sophistication to your living room. Contrast the cold outside with extreme warmth inside. Heavy cashmere, roaring fireplaces, and exposed natural wood create the ultimate cozy luxury. The height of modern luxury is seamless integration. Invisible appliances and monolithic white stone create an incredibly sleek, futuristic kitchen space. Industrial elements like exposed brick and raw concrete achieve high-end luxury when paired with spectacular features like a freestanding copper tub. A sunken conversation pit with plush seating not only maximizes space, but creates an intimate, undeniably luxurious, retro-chic focal point. Integrate Zen principles into your bedroom by using natural bamboo, organic linens, and soft backlit stone to cultivate absolute peace. Achieve a hyper-modern aesthetic with a floating marble island, high-gloss cabinetry, and a statement glass-enclosed wine cellar. Maximalism can be incredibly luxurious. Combine solid brass fixtures, rich jewel-tone tiles, and bold wallpapers for a lavish bathroom experience. The pinnacle of Scandinavian luxury relies on flawless pale woods, cloud-like boucle seating, and an overwhelming sense of light and space. Channel classic glamour with tufted silk headboards, mirrored furniture, and heavy satin layers for a bedroom fit for royalty. Bring the warmth of the Mediterranean into your kitchen with oiled olive wood, terracotta ceilings, and dramatic, heavily veined quartzite. A Japanese onsen-inspired bathroom, clad entirely in aromatic cypress wood, creates an unparalleled atmosphere of restorative, mindful luxury. Capture the romance of a Parisian apartment with intricate wall paneling, antique gilded frames, and layered, ruffled, white linens. Elevate your morning routine by dedicating a beautifully styled, high-end station to your favorite brewing rituals, blending function with undeniable elegance. Dark, dramatic marble paired with cutting-edge smart technology and transparent materials creates a bathroom experience that feels both futuristic and incredibly exclusive. Blend indoor and outdoor living with expansive glass walls and natural elements to bring the serene, luxurious feeling of a high-end beach resort into your living room. Embrace earthy luxury by using continuous, sculptural materials like micro-cement and terracotta to create a warm, grounded, and intensely relaxing bedroom sanctuary. A breathtaking kitchen marries the ornate architectural details of the past with the bold, high-contrast features of modern luxury design. Elevate your bathroom design literally with floor-to-ceiling glass and spectacular statement pieces, like a tub carved from solid rock crystal, for the ultimate penthouse vibe. Brutalist architecture achieves profound luxury when raw, monumental concrete surfaces are softened by incredibly plush, rich cognac leathers and vibrant indoor greenery. Maximalist luxury means embracing opulence through layers. Combine heavy velvets, rich silks, and intricate hand-painted wallpapers to build a space of pure indulgence. Biophilic luxury brings the outside in. By integrating massive living green walls and raw, sustainable woods, your kitchen becomes a breathing, organic sanctuary.